Niggas pistol popping like it's 1999. I was 9, maybe 10, then again, never mind. Press rewind, back in time, before rappers dropping dimes. Trap or die, chopping pies, with cliches all in they rhyme. Now it's purchase, product, and anything designer. Money, power, the whole enchilada. Commas, dollars,
watch your left, watch your left.
They serve you to your blocker if you disrespect that blocker.
Droppers on these droppers, fuck these droppers, I'm a
riding like Tupac or Biggie Papa, yeah you hotter, but I'm hotter. Car jacking, pistol jacking, motherfucking choppers clapping, metal jacket, automatic magazines, head on traffic, fender smashing, windows crashing, pants sagging, fuck your fashion. Yeah, a nigga run Manhattan, back in Cali's where it happened. Gucci, Scotta, anything designer, groupies, boppers, they all gonna swallow. It's probably the robbers, the goons and the goblins, they hate me. A lot of Medulla Oblongata from New York City.
Oh yeah, I know. I wish mine was like that. Is that what did you have to do to it? That's not the stock trigger, right?
Nigga was bragging, I'm really out here bowling on the west side, you know what I'm saying? West,
You know what I mean? Just being careful out here, looking out for the enemies, cuz you already know